As a shy child who observed everything, I was really influenced by my 4th grade teacher who taught me the true meaning of feminism. Understanding that boys and girls didn't need to be confined by gender stereotypes, finding the power of expressing my thoughts and feelings, and encouraged to question everything, defined and empowered me. I was always supported by my mom, a Holocaust survivor who escaped Nazi Germany and had to start a new life in Brazil, where I was born. I came to the United States at 3 and settled in LA at 6. Survival, resiliency, and transition are a fundamental part of my blueprint. My mom is a beautiful, compassionate person. Her strength, wisdom, and pragmatism have given me the confidence to become the person I am today. As a therapist for over 25 years, my approach is to see people through a lens of their unique strengths. I received my master's from the USC School of Social Work, and my first job out of graduate school was at NBC, where I provided counseling for employees and was responsible for creating the network's first sexual harassment policy. I would guess by now they have one they actually use. In my private practice, I work with women, couples, parents, and teens by empowering them through difficult transitions. This includes relationship issues, betrayal, divorce, parenting, teen conflict, addiction, career transitions, anxiety, and depression. Accountability, passion, and integrity have been core values in raising our 16-year-old son, Alex. Alex has taken to heart personal accountability through his passion to get involved. He has a leadership role at school with diversity, equity, and inclusion, volunteers at the Museum of Tolerance, and Teen Line. Teen Line takes a lot of commitment. They have a selective application and interview process and provide a rigorous training to all of the teen volunteers, which results in an extraordinary and much-needed peer program. My husband Massimo and I are super proud of Alex. And just to think, it all started with a chef from Tuscany, an open kitchen, and an incredible dessert. My favorite restaurant just happened to have the cutest Italian chef who found the way to my heart by sending me one of his amazing desserts. With Massimo, I leaned into my interest in having a business outside of my practice, and we opened our first fine dining restaurant in Beverly Hills. After Alex's birth, we wanted to create a more casual and accessible concept. Living in Century City and loving everything about it, we opened Tuscan Sun with our good friend Cyrus. Massimo and Alex are the real Tuscan Suns, and it's just downstairs from my office. Want to come check it out? We love serving our community through Massimo's farm-to-table cooking and our in-house bakery. Those desserts that I just still can't resist. We're so happy seeing our friends and neighbors back in and once again catering to Century City, which is back as a bustling hub. It's not just a business for us, but represents our passion for great food, good friends, and a way to give back to our community. I have so much gratitude to be at this time in my life. I too have had my difficult transitions, but as RBG said, real change, enduring change, happens one step at a time.